Collaboration is beneficial in many ways across all fields of endeavor. Collaboration can help spark innovation and develop creative thought, as well as make it possible for teams to complete more work quickly and effectively. By default, collaboration technologies make it possible for a group of 2 or more individuals to work together toward the accomplishment of a specific goal or purpose. Despite the fact that there's a plethora of non-technical alternatives accessible, such as Post-it notes, paper, whiteboards, and flip charts. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Also, click the link below to download a free ebook from my mentor, Jeff Lerner. Today's video is about how to use Trello. What exactly is Trello? You may arrange tasks and everything linked to them into boards with the help of Trello, which is a popular collaboration platform that is straightforward, simple to use. You'll have access to a wide variety of information, including the following when you use Trello. On what are people currently working? Who exactly is working on what project? What steps are being taken to move that project forward? Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about what makes Trello so unique. Some of Trello's most important features. In order to facilitate project management, Trello makes use of boards, cards, and lists. Checklists can be used to create subtasks that are contained within a card. It is possible to delegate tasks to many individuals who will then be informed of any modifications made to the card. The deadlines might be incorporated into the tasks. The team is kept up to date through the use of an activity log. The incorporation of attachments paves the way for the effective management of available resources. Utilizing the power of automation, its built-in automation known as Butler helps reduce the number of laborious tasks that need to be completed. Integrations. Organizations are able to connect the applications used by their teams to the Trello process thanks to Trello. There are hundreds of different power-ups and integrations that can be utilized to achieve a smooth workflow. The following are some of the most common ones: Slack, Google Drive, GitHub, Telegram, Salesforce, Connect with IBM, Twitter, Users. Because of its ease of use, Trello currently has over 40 million users all over the world. The following are examples of well-known businesses that make use of Trello: Google, Adobe. Trello Advantages. After creating an account with Trello, you may begin using it right away. You may sign up for Trello for free, and if you do so, you will have access to practically all of its features. Even if the majority of the essential features may be accessed through the no-cost option, it is still considered a premium service. The Kanban system is a common methodology that is used to accomplish lean management, and Trello uses it. This indicates that it's possible to practice lean methodology when using Trello. It works well on mobile devices. The design of Trello is incredibly user-friendly and resembles that of a mobile application in both appearance and functionality. In addition to this, it also has a very successful mobile application that, in terms of functionality, mirrors that of the desktop application. One page displays everything that's associated with the project. It's simple to create new issues, add new members, and assign them to existing members. How to make the most out of Trello for your organizational needs? The use of Trello for efficient project management can be facilitated by the following strategies. Step 1. Register for an account on Trello. Signing up for Trello for the first time can be done by going to Trello.com. After successfully logging in for the first time, you will be brought to the following screen. Under the Personal Board tab, there will be a button that allows users to generate a new board. Step 2. Create a new board on Trello. Following these instructions to set up a board on Trello, as the absence of one will prevent anything from happening. Click the Create New Board option that is located beneath the Personal Boards menu. Please identify the board. You have the option of selecting a background pattern or color that can have its appearance modified at a later time. If you have more than one team, you have the option of selecting which team among them will be allowed to access the board. Step 3. Create a team. For reasons related to your profession, you're required to assemble a group. To do that, select the Create a Team option from the drop-down menu. You're required to give a name for the team, specify the type of team it is, and give a brief description of the team. After that, you'll have the option to invite members of your team if you click the button that says Continue. After you've entered the email address of the members of your team, click the Send Invitation button. They'll be sent an invitation to participate in Trello. Well, do you like what you're seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss the end. And remember to click and download the free ebook below. Step 4. Create lists in Trello. You make lists as per your requirement. You might, for instance, organize your task into 3 separate lists: To Do, In Progress, and Done. There's also the possibility of having a list for each individual member of your team. The following are the steps involved in creating a list. You'll need to open a board in order to make a new list. Click the Add a List option that's located below the name of the board. First, give your list a name, then click the Add List button. You'll see an option to add a card just below the list that you've created. Well, do you like what you're seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the end. Step 5. Create Trello cards. To add a card, select the option that's located below the list's name. After providing a title for the card, click the Add Card button. Step 6. Assign cards and specify due dates. Trello cards can have members added to them as well as due dates. When you're part of a team, it's helpful to be aware of who is working on each individual assignment. Setting due dates for projects is a helpful way to keep track of when they need to be completed. You're able to put a person's name on a card and then keep track of who has been given what responsibility by using this method. You can also add many members to a card to make sure that they all get updated information regarding a certain assignment. The following are the procedures that need to be taken in order to add someone to a card. To allocate members to a card, click on the card to which you must assign them. To become a member, select the Members option from the menu on the right. You can add members to your team by searching for them and then clicking on their names. The following actions should next be followed in order to add the due dates. Simply select the card for which you need to enter a due date and click on it. Simply select the Due Date option from the drop-down menu located to the right. Choose a date to submit the assignment from the calendar. You're able to enter the time and then click the Save button. Cards with due dates that are less than 24 hours away are marked with a yellow label, whereas cards with due dates that have already passed are marked with a red label. Step 7. Add labels to the cards. You're able to apply colored labels to cards in Trello, which helps you distinguish the sort of activity being worked on or the group to which the card belongs. You can also add numerous labels to a single card. The following are the actions that need to be taken in order to add labels to a card. Simply select the card that needs an additional label by clicking on it. To create labels, select the option that is located on the right. Choose a label from the list you have. It shows a variety of colors that have been selected in advance. You're able to add a label by selecting the Edit icon from the toolbar. How to conduct a search using shortcuts in Trello. If you have a small personal board, it may be reasonably easy to view everything at a glance. However, as your lists get larger, and especially when you're working on a significant group project, you'll need to begin searching. In this regard, there are a number of helpful keyboard shortcuts that you may utilize to assist you in locating the content that you're seeking. B. This button brings up the Boards menu. You'll be able to search for and navigate to any of your other boards directly from this screen. F. This button opens a filter selection dialog box. You can eliminate cards from consideration using the following criteria: keywords, labels, members, or due dates. Until you remove the filters, everything that does not satisfy your requirements will remain concealed in the results. So that's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Download the ebook to learn more. Thanks for watching.